We have just arrived in Johannesburg, South Africa. We're on our way to the Aero Lodge, which is a hotel I stayed at before. My friends will be flying in tomorrow, so let's go. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, and you?
Good. Hello. Oh, so it's... Want to go bungee jumping?
What?
Right now?
Honestly, I'd probably do that. I'd go skydiving right now.
At the towers.
I'd go.
We are on our way to 2 nuclear towers in a township called Soweto, and we're going to do the longest free fall in the world. We have to cuddle.
Yeah.
This is my friend Zach, and we brought him to South Africa.
Hello. I am Zach.
Are you scared?
James, you're not even doing it.
Oh, that's right. Thanks for reminding me. I forgot!
You're not attached to anything. Like, what if you missed a net?
Yeah.
This white tower, that's like their toll booth. It just automatically scans the car and charges you. You just went through a toll booth.
It's a toll booth.
I thought it would be fine, like, oh, I bungee jumped before, but I'm so f***ing scared. If something happens to him, you call me, and if something happens to me, you call him.
Has anyone gotten hurt doing this?
She wouldn't say. I believe you. I believe you. It is a 45-meter, 150-foot free fall, not attached to anything for a 150-foot drop. This sounds weird, but I've always said I want to know what it feels like to jump off a building. So. We are waiting to jump, and they are lunch break. It's making it so much worse, just like waiting and waiting and waiting. The waiting's the worst part. We are suited up, ready to jump. That was like,
It was fun.
that was, he went first and I had to watch him.
I looked at him and he's going,
I'm still like,
I'm good.
no, when I got,
I guess I'm a little shaky.
they were
but it
making
was
fun
fun.
of me when I got off the thing and I like walked over. I was like, it was like I was cold. Like my whole body was just,
It was fun. I'd do
like,
it
you know
again.
when a dog's like fireworks and it's shaking? Like my whole body was
Shane was
shaking.
crazy.
Oh my God.
Do
That
it
was,
Let's do it again.
when he released me, I couldn't breathe. I was paralyzed.
Well, once you see him
but
do it, there's no
like
going
the
back.
cage that you start in just get like, it just fades away, like getting smaller.
It feels a lot longer than 2
It hurts.
seconds.
How was it?
Yeah. Are you proud of me?
Yeah, I am.
It's fun. You should try it.
Yeah, I should consider trying it.
Back into our like weird trunk lawn chair seats.
Thanks.